morning. Happy Tuesday. We're on day 3. Day 1 counts as our travel day. We are hiking to like some little cove beaches because it's really windy today. And yesterday when we were out on the beach, did we even record on the beach?
No.
It was so windy. The sand was just absolutely everywhere. So we didn't want to bring out any electronics or anything. So we're gonna try to go to these little coves where it's not as windy, and yeah, hopefully, and see what they're like here. Maybe they'll probably be the same as like Lagos, but at least we won't have any wind. So much seaweed right here. We're gonna keep walking and see if it gets better. Oh god, it smells so bad.
Kendall can fit through here. I can't. I'm not able to fit through there. It's not a bad one, but I'd like to see what else is around here.
I don't. Can we go up right here?
I don't know. Let's see.
This is awesome.
I know. I bet there's something over here. We could just walk that way. Yeah, look. There's our beach right there.
Oh,
It's big.
it smells so bad. Oh god, it makes me want to throw up. I gotta go.
Alright, let's go. Not this one, but the other one. It's bigger. Just set up shop out here on the thing. It's our little area. Go out to the beach. Now let's explore this cave.
Good luck.
Oh. Some birds in here. Couple of spiders. Definitely hear some birds. Pretty cool. Nice little place. Nice and cool in there.
We're in the shade and it's cold.
Yeah, in the shade it's cold.
It's cold.
not bad right here. This place is really cool. Just gonna walk out. The water's a little cold, but other than that, I mean, no seaweed. The water is like super clear. The rocks, formations, everything super cool. Alright, I know this looks really cool, but I'm going to attempt to go under all this cold water. Whew. Back to the secret little entrance here. Walking back, that seaweed smell is very ripe. Alright, so we just spent a couple hours in the beach, the Playa something. I don't know what the name of that beach was, but we're gonna get some lunch right now at a sandwich shop, kind of regroup, and then get back out on the water. It's really windy, so we have to kind of pick and choose where we're gonna go, because if not, we'll just get sand blasted. Beautiful views though. So this elevator's a little sketchy. It just stays open the whole time. There's no actual like doors that close. We just touch everything. So our hotel is back there, right there.
Airbnb.
Our Airbnb is back there, and we got to cross this roundabout, and then we're going
Feel that though.
right there.
Can you feel that?
Little sandwich shop.
We're at this cute little sandwich place, and they have a dog named Woody, and he loves Chris. How cute is that? You like dogs?
Pretty neat.
So Chris and Kendall opted for the chicken avocado wrap. That's what they got.
Yeah, chicken avocado.
Mine. Look at here.
You did that before.
Yeah. I got the pepper and goat's cheese sandwich. Try it. Avocado's good. Yeah. It's a really big wrap. I got my thing. Get it. It has roasted red peppers, balsamic, goat cheese, rocket, also known as arugula, Oh, and hummus.
So we decided to get some snacks before we head back to the beach. So we're on our way to a bakery. Get some bread and some desserts. Look at the size of these lemons. It's my hand.
I didn't get any bread for the beach.
Hey, both of you, look, they're right there.
Where's the other one?
Right here.
Oh, you're so pretty.
I just ran up on some Portuguese horses. Hey! Go play.
She's like, no.
No, we're done playing.
They're like, what's it called though?
We're done playing.
Oh, you're camera.
What you doing? I'm going to
No bread for you. Alright, so we got done, took showers, getting ready to go eat, and got to hit the supermarket first for some aloe vera. We'll stop at this little place, get some aloe vera. See if we saw it out here. Alright, now we were off to eat dinner at Bombadilla. Do you have? Should we look? Here's our. It's like Belkin something. No, more to follow. So our first choice of what was it called? Bougainvillea. That was a bust. So we are on hunt for another one. Possibly go to the beer and company. They have good, I don't know what, hamburgers and stuff there. Check it out. This is like one of the main streets that's in Alvor. And now we're turning down the other main street in Alvor. Less than par dinner at Beer and Company, we decided to take a little trip down to the river here, and all it is like a little inlet from the ocean. But oh, there's a kitty cat. Alright. Kitty, kitty. Alright, well, so like I said, took a little trip down here by the river, but it is a little chilly. It's only 71 degrees here today. So the ladies put the jackets on, and I think we're gonna head home. Another cat. Lots of cats here. Well, that's going to be a wrap on our 2 days at the beach here in Alvor, Portugal. If you like, subscribe. Really help us out. Appreciate it. And until next time.
Good morning. It's a Tuesday and our third day of like traveling. No, I don't like that.
Go in the water right there.
Did you get a whiff of that? No. Oh, it was so bad. That rotting seaweed. Look, you can go through there. Okay?
Yeah, it's hot. You might want to wait for a second.